Welcome, dear students and viewers. Today we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 2.4. The part 2, 3 and 4. These are very important with exam point of view. So we are going to solve this question and we can see that AB is having 1 by B, and here when we bring it up it has its positive one which is not visible, it become -1 to multiply with 1 by a. So ab is to power 1 by b already there, and this power become ab is to power, the two power multiply minus 1 by a. Now this ab is to power 1 by b already, both bits same, so when it goes up it become plus 1 by a. Now we will take LCM of it, so ab is to power ab, so cross a there and b there, so, and this is the answer. Now we see the next question. In this question we can see some are prime factors but some are composite factors are also there. So we will split this into prime factors first of all. So we have 2 is to power p plus 1 into 3 is to power 2p minus q, 5 is to power p plus q as it is, but for this 2 3s are 6 is to power this q, and here also 2 multiply 3 or 2 dot 3 is to power p in the denominator, 2 5s are 10, for this 2 into 5 q plus 2, and 3 5s are 15 is to power this p. Now separately the power we will write, 2 is to power p plus 1 and 3 is to power 2p minus q, 5 is to power p plus q, then we got 2 is to power q and 3 is also power q. Here in denominator 2 is to power p and 3 is to power p separately, with 2 is to power q plus 2 and 3 is to 5 is to power q plus 2, then 3 is to power p and 5 also having power p. Now we will get together this all 2's together, 2 is to power p plus 1, this we did, and 2 is to power q plus q because they are multiplying here, and these are denominator and dividing, it means, so when goes up it will become negative p, and 2 is to power minus q and minus 2, this will negative q negative 2, 2 is added. Now we have 3 into 3, 3 is to power 2p minus q, then 3 power plus q we got, and here 3 power plus p, up when it goes up it will become minus p, and again another minus p here. Now we have got 5, 5 is to power p plus q, and when it goes up minus q and minus 2, then we got minus p as well. Let's check out, plus p cancel with minus p, plus q cancel with minus q, we got this minus 1, 2 is to power 1 minus 2 is minus 1 left, into 3, 3 let's check, minus 1 minus 2 with plus 2p, and plus q with minus q, so 3 is to power 0, and then we got 5, 5 power plus p cancel with minus p, and minus q with plus q, minus 2 is left here, so further we will solve it. Here we got some congested place, 2 is to power minus 1, when it goes down it become 2 is to power plus 1, and this 5 power minus 2 also comes down, 5 power plus 2, and 3 power 0 become 1, so 1 by 2 into 5 power 2, 5 5 is a 25, 25 2 time 25 2 time 50. So 1 by 50 is the answer. This way we will be solving. Here in this case you see x power p, when it goes up, minus q, and also it has another power p plus q. Same is here, x power q, with when it goes up it become minus r, but it is another power is q plus r. Here x is to power r, this become minus p, but here we got r plus p. So we have already learned, we know that when there are two squares in between negative sign, they has to be written like one time with negative a minus b and one time with positive a plus b. So we got the same scenario over here, p minus q and p plus q. Here q minus r and q plus r. Here also x is to power r minus p and r plus p. One time minus, one time plus. Here minus and plus, minus and plus. The same, minus and plus. So we have to write both variables with squares in between negative sign. So let's do it. So both variables I am writing with negative sign and having powers. Same is the case here. Both variables having powers in between negative sign. And same case here, r and p both variables with squares in between negative. As you can see, the bases are still just the same, so we have to write on the same. As they are multiplying, we will write a plus sign in between, plus this one, and q square minus r square plus r square minus p square. You can see plus p square cancel with minus, minus q square with plus q square, minus r square cancel with plus r square. So x is to power 0, as I told you, anything power 0 is always equal to 1, and that is the answer. Hope you understood these questions, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel, and press the bell icon for more updates.